So what I'm doing here is just checking from the existing tile what they've done. I've put it down tight, and that is a very tight notch. They must have fixed that using 8mm Senator, if that. Very tight notch. Won't make my job any easier. So we're going to run a joint off of that. Cut into that wall and cut into that wall. There won't be one full tile in this floor. Never mind. I'm going to prime grip all this floor and then get it set out, get some lines down. Nice and clear with the old IMAX. Square line down, across, from that original, because that's what you're going to see mostly when the doors open. And this one, it's not going to be open like that, it'll probably get left open. I'm going to put a T-trim in between. Just chopping that tile up. Primed up, cut out underneath the architraves. Tile's going to go underneath there, and tiling, and just silicone up and around. So yeah, now to start cutting in. So when they're marking your tiles out, when you get your line down, you've got a line down here to follow. So if you put a tile in back to front, so where you're going to up tight, just basically mark there, transfer that through to the front, mark there, and that'll give you the perfect cut. That's the tile up to there. Obviously you've got to equal your joint out, make sure that's nice and equal. So as you can see, it's in nice and tight, perfect. Still following that line across. Cut that using our snap cut. Montalet Massa Puma 63. Marked it. See the mark there on the back. Right there, just transfer it to the front. Scribe and snap. So then repeat that process. Cutting this fin in. That's one side all cut in. So now fix this side in and then cut your other side in. After this side's cut in, you're going to have to wait until it's gone off to work off it, unless you can squeeze in and get in down that side and cut in as you go after you fix this side. That's the easiest way to do, all the way like this with this size tile. So we've mixed up in a little bit of a smaller bucket. Usually I'd mix up in a bit of a gorilla bucket like that yellow one there. But just mix up in here because it's a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to handle in smaller areas. We don't need loads of adhesive. So what I'm going to use is 10mm round notch to fix that, because it's not a very big bed from what the previous person's done. So what I'm going to do is comb the floor and backbutt the tile. So now this full course is in, bit of a time lapse for you done. Obviously that's the joint we've married through there. We've got all that in there, just checking it with us. That's 2 metre length is that. So yeah, just checking that it all lines through nicely. So now, while this is setting, I'm going to start cutting this side in, coming backwards. And hopefully by that time, if that has gone off, I can piece that in. Even if not, it hasn't gone off, I might be able to still work backwards and fix it as I go. It's just a little bit trickier, that's all. So you can see we got to air fix yesterday, so we have cut the rest of that in, dry laid it in, got me quick set mixed, ready to go and get this side fixed in now.